thank y'all for getting to this video. In this video, I know some of y'all are winning with these apps, and some of y'all might not be winning. The only reason you're probably not winning because you're not putting enough effort in. Like, this stuff is very simple. Like, I tell you to go make a website. I tell you to post in groups. I tell you to go and get you them links. You know what I'm saying? Hide your links, make them smaller, make it look clean. Like, I teach you that. Like, but you got to stay consistent. So say, like, what if you just, how many people, what I usually ask somebody, how many people are you talking to a day about it? You know, some people say about 5, 6, 25. Why not 100? You know, why can't you're on your phone all day. So why can't you be able to reach out to 100 people? Viva Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You could reach out to 100 people a day. You know what I'm saying? And it's just free money. So if you just do 10% of that, that's 5 people. That's like $25, $35, or, you know, $200, depending on what app you're using. So, like, you guys, just get it right, man. Stay consistent. You know, put in the work, because it is out there. And the people the people that's watching it that have been making money off the apps, like, you really, and I know you want to scale up. So say you making on the average $100 a week off the app, and you know you're consistent with that, but you want more. All you have to do is just invest that $100 that week into like a paid ad, or, you know, invest that, you know, do it for a week. You got $400. Invest that $400 in a paid ad, because it's all free money. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want to just get your money and go buy McDonald's and go, you know, party with it, or go buy beer, or go to a fancy restaurant. Nah, this is free money, man. Easy free money. You should be saving this money, investing this money, like always, and just stay consistent, man. So say, like, if you're watching this video, you haven't made a sale, like, you're not putting enough work in. Like, for real, you're not putting enough work in. You could easily just go ask your mother or your father or some type of family member just to try the app, you know what I'm saying, and get you some easy money. Like, that's just that simple. But y'all making it a headache. And, you know, just training with just like $8, bro, to bring y'all, at least, you can make at least $10,000 off this information easily. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, just stay down, stay investing, and stay going, man. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a extra advanced training down there for free, man. You know, like you said, man, I'm trying to get y'all so much value for just so little, so you can work these free apps, man. You ain't gotta pay, you know what I'm saying, for another trainer. You can just use this one and create, you know, go get you your free apps. There's thousands of free apps out there that'll pay you money to use them. Man, get with those, man, and just build you some pages and keep going, man. Easy money out here, and it's free. So, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right? Peace.